Navigating through words, understanding, get stuck in traffic. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that many of you might have heard but are curious about. Get stuck in traffic. Whether you're planning to travel or simply enhancing your English vocabulary, knowing this phrase will definitely come in handy. So, let's break it down together and make your learning journey a smooth ride. Get stuck in traffic is a phrase that paints a picture anyone driving or riding in a vehicle might dread. It means to be unable to move forward or proceed as planned because the road is congested with cars, trucks, buses, and other forms of transportation. This situation is common in cities around the world, especially during rush hours when everyone is trying to get to work or head home. There are several scenarios when one might get stuck in traffic. Rush hours, as mentioned, are prime times, usually early mornings and late afternoons. Accidents on the road can also cause unexpected delays. Moreover, special events or road construction work often lead to detours and congestion. Understanding these contexts can help you plan better and avoid the frustration of being late. To help you incorporate this phrase into your vocabulary, let's look at some examples. I might be late for dinner because I got stuck in traffic. She usually leaves early to avoid getting stuck in traffic. He called to say he would get stuck in traffic and miss the meeting. Using the phrase in different tenses helps convey past experiences, ongoing challenges, or future concerns related to traffic congestion. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, get stuck in traffic. Remember, mastering a language involves not just learning the words but also the context in which they're used. We hope this video helps you navigate not only through traffic but also through your English learning journey. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.